welcome to the stream. Today's day 62. Today's day 62 of live day trading NASDAQ. Today I am trading on Alpha Futures, chat. Yeah, we've done our 10 accounts on Topstep, not gonna lie, performed badly. But you know, we're always looking to improve, continuing to improve every day. Today I'm looking at a counter trend trade at external protected structure. So recap of this trade, I've just entered here at this point here. Essentially, if we look at the 4 hour, price is constantly going up in the 4 hours breaker structure, and there's a big pullback, and now we pull it back into this internal protected low here. As you can see, price come back into this internal protected low that I've marked up here, and it had briefly swept it, okay, and then if we look at the 15-minute, it's sort of come in. Now it hasn't completely rejected off, but it hasn't completely blown through either, right? And so as I saw the first initial sweep, it did come down, okay. I looked at the 1 minute, there was a protected low here, came back, it sort of made this inducement. I was going to wait for it to, you know, make the first bottom, come back, induce, come back, make a bit of an internal change of character before another bottom here, and then I can take the long from there. That is the actual proper trade setup. But as I was paying attention to price, it's come in, and essentially the buyers and sellers have sort of are struggling to really break through. The sellers are struggling to break through now at the moment. So at the moment, if you can have a look, let's see which 1 minute candle here I entered right there, I believe, right there. So yeah, I am trading at the moment a 50k and 100k eval on Alpha Futures. I'm looking at like 2-to-1 risk to reward at the moment, risking about 770 to make 1.5. And yeah, we shall see. I think this might just fall through actually. If so, I'm pretty happy to just clock off and go to sleep, you know. Bit of a you know, not the greatest entry, now that I pay attention to it. My standard rule is I'm waiting for the second bottom, creates inducement, creates another move up before coming down and making the real second touch there, something like that, and then I take the long from there. So it looks like I might be losing this one pretty quick, guys. And that is just probably, yeah, it's me not sticking to the game plan, to be honest. A bit of an impatient move, but I did want to get some sort of trade out for today, but I kind of pushed this one. Perhaps for future reference, I could just, you know, pay attention and not trade these kinds of setups. That might be something you guys can pay attention to next time. Yeah. We shall see. It looks like it is. Yeah, I don't know. If I get an opportunity, I might just break out even and close out this trade early, because it doesn't look like a great trade. A good trader will close out early. So yeah, it doesn't look like it's working out the greatest right now.
Order filled.
All right, well, there you go, chat. Bad trade, quick one, out of it. That is a breaker structure there. It looks like it's going through this 4 hour internal protected low. It's breezing through quite easily actually. So I'll just keep an eye on the market for another 5-6 minutes, as it's only 6 minutes till the 1 AM. Yeah, I'm just gonna buy in here real quick.
Order filled.
I'm gonna set half the risk this time. Really very easy, because the reason why is as you can see, this dotted line here is the internal protected low of the 4 hour. This line here, if you can see that. Let's see if I can make it a bit thicker. Yeah, maybe something like this. This dotted line here, internal protected low. I have a rule actually, which is generally the spacing of my protected structures are about oh, actually, you know what? This is actually just outside my range. This is sort of, yeah, not a really too planned trade actually. Oh man, this isn't good. Yeah, this is not good. I'm not sticking to my plan here, but if we just have a look at the 5-minute, yeah, 15-minute. The 15-minute swept the 4-hour internal protected low, hasn't closed below it, which is a rejection candle for me on the 15-minute, but yeah, not the greatest to be looking at something like this. Finding some rejection actually. I'm going to keep an eye on the 15-minute. Just going to keep an eye on this. Look at the 5-minute.
Order filled.
Oh. Oh. Daily loss violation. Oh, I didn't know Alpha Futures. I forgot the rules. Oh man, I've completely forgot. $1,000 I think max per day. Oh, fuck. This one closed out as well. Oh my gosh. Well, that just ruins my whole trade. Oh my god. I didn't know it closed that one out. Oh man. Does that ruin it? Oh man. Oh.
Order filled. Order filled.
Well, I didn't want that. Oh, fuck. Well, I didn't want my 100k challenge to close. Oh man. Oh, this one has up to $2,000 per day daily loss. Okay, I can do that then. Then I can. Well, yeah. Oh shit. Should be market.
Order filled.
Okay, what's it? Hour minute to the hour candle close. Oh, I didn't even realize. Yeah, 1 minute to the hour candle close. We see a closure here. Hmm. 20 seconds. I'm gonna just mark up this 1 minute. protected high. Can maybe look at taking a TP somewhere up here. Ooh, 1 hour candle just closed, chat. Okay, 1 hour candle just closed. I think that's, yeah. 1 hour candle just closed. Very frustrating. There was one, this one closed, just nicked it. So this is sort of like a tight stop loss kind of close. First trade was a tight stop loss close, chat. Alright, we'll look at the 5-minute candle. Okay, I like this. I like the look of this. I'm moving my stop loss tighter. I'm gonna move my stop loss to the before the open of the previous candle. Usually I like to trail it on the wick of the second last candle on the 5 minutes. So as it will be this one here. But since it's moving correctly on our way, I'm just gonna keep this one around here. I like the look of this. Oh man, the first trade closed because the stop loss was too tight. Second trade closed because of the daily loss limit temporarily deactivated. I don't know if it's a loss or temporary. I'll have to suss it out, chat.
Didn't we go there before, chat?
Guys, I can't exceed the 50% consistency, so if this trade was to go correctly my way, then my TP will have to be at $3,000, I think. 3,016. Something like that. I don't know, we'll see. Four minutes left on this 5-minute candle. Yeah, usually my counter trend trades, I take them. The TP is usually at the internal protected structure. So, you know, in this case, if it was, let's say, it came down here, made the inducement here, came up here before going down, I would long from here, like just like this, and I would set my TP here. But at the moment, there's no real clear internal protected high structure. Let's have a look at the 15-minute. Let's see what's going on here. 8 minutes. Okay. It's officially taken that. Okay, it's taken that 5-minute candle high. Alright, the next one's just sort of aim for this one, which is around near my TP anyways. Okay, it's swept it, good. Let's see if it holds above.
Order filled.
All right. I guess there you go. Man, oh, I'm so annoyed because... Anyways, chat, that was good 5 risk to reward there on this second trade. Realistically, the first trade would have been the same thing, I guess, if I had just extended my stop loss literally by like 2 points. It is what it is. But yeah, chat, look, that is the, I guess, second trade, 2 trades, halfway through the 100k evaluation on Alpha Futures. I didn't know these on the 0 eval. There was a daily loss violation. I don't know if that blows the account, chat. I'll have to look at it. But I guess yeah, that's 2 good trades right there. This one was just a tight stop loss, realistically. Really tight stop loss because the stop loss is, I think it's about 8 points, 9 points. It is 9 points outside of my usual protected structure rule. So if I'm taking a position and the stop loss is outside of the protected structure, I aim to do like 8 to 10 points. So this one was 9. If I had done 10, maybe. Oh my god, let's have a look. If I had done 10, oh my gosh. If I had done 10, oh no, 10 would have just hit me out. So as you can see, you know, yeah, it would have just been in. Oh well, is what it is. Look, that's the trade. Good stuff. Yeah, sort of a. I guess it's a counter trend trade at, you know, external protected structure. TP was usually set to an internal protected high, but in this case, based off the 1 hour candle, closing with a rejection, yeah, it could probably come back and hit this internal 1 minute protected high. Really could have gone up to here. We don't know. We'll keep an eye on it right now. I'll just watch until see what happens. But that's pretty much that, chat. Very gutted. I wonder if it closed my account. I didn't know. Yeah, as you can see, chat, it pretty much looks like it was gonna almost going to the opposite point of interest. Realistically, I would have taken it conservatively if there was a internal retracted high to something like here. If this was the internal retracted high, and it was like that. Well, in this case, you know, I took it up to here, just pretty much that same area. Yeah, that is pretty much that, chat. I'm pretty annoyed about this 50k eval. I'm really curious to know if I actually lost it, but we'll see. At least I still got the 100k eval. So that is it, chat. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll